Portfolio Dashboard is a feature in the project management tool that can be used to easily view the status of several projects at once. It can also be used to sort projects based on various parameters to more easily identify areas of concern. To access, open the Project Management tool in Resolution and click on the Portfolio link from the project's homepage. Select an existing portfolio or set up a new portfolio as described in our other portfolio help video. Click on the Dashboard tab to access the Portfolio dashboard. The range for the portfolio is determined by the earliest project start date and the latest project finish date. At the top of the dashboard, users are given the ability to adjust the reporting range using the buttons to select a specific fiscal year or the entire portfolio range. In addition, the time scale selector bar can be used to select custom ranges. All the included projects and data are updated accordingly. A performance chart is provided summarizing the cumulative performance of projects included in the portfolio that are active during the selected period. The gray shaded area indicates the total budget authority for the portfolio, the total planned work/spending, as illustrated by the purple line, total actual spent, represented by the lower green line, and actual spent plus commitment, as indicated by the upper green line. Therefore, the green shaded region is capturing any outstanding commitments against projects in the portfolio. The monthly totals are shown below the chart for the month selected on the chart. The chart is interactive, allowing users to select specific months on the chart and see related values below. Note that as budget authority is a fiscal year value, it can only be displayed when the reporting range is set for the beginning of a fiscal year. Below the performance chart, a tabular view of project information is displayed, allowing users to easily view the status of multiple projects at once. Columns can be expanded or collapsed as preferred to show information such as detailed project information, status-related information, milestone status, cost to date for each element of cost, budget authority, and remaining budget authority. Cumulative totals are also provided at the top of relevant columns. Individual columns can also be sorted to easily identify projects of interest. For example, if a researcher is most interested with projects at risk of needing additional funding, they can sort the remaining budget authority column in ascending order to identify those projects with the least funding remaining. You can easily drill into a project's dashboard by clicking on the project title and then return to the portfolio dashboard using the breadcrumb provided. This completes the help video for Portfolio Dashboard. We encourage you to consider reviewing our other help videos, including the portfolio video, which addresses setting up a new portfolio and adding and removing projects.